Hey there, mind detectives, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that stings for everyone: rejection. Whether it's a job application, a creative pursuit, or even a date, rejection can leave us feeling discouraged and defeated. But what if I told you rejection could be your greatest secret weapon? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into 12 powerful psychological hacks to help you turn rejection around and use it to fuel your success. Hack 1. First things first, don't react impulsively. Rejection can trigger a fight or flight response. You might feel a surge of anger or a wave of sadness. That's okay. Acknowledge those feelings, but don't let them control you. Take a deep breath and pause. This allows you to approach the situation with a clear head. Stepping away for a short walk, talking to a trusted friend, or journaling your emotions can all be helpful ways to create space and gain perspective. Hack 2. Rejection doesn't define your worth. It's easy to internalize rejection and start questioning your abilities. But remember, a rejection on a specific project or application doesn't reflect your overall value as a person. Shift your focus to your own strengths and accomplishments. Make a list of your skills and past successes. Remind yourself of all the things you've overcome and achieved. Hack 3. Seek out the silver lining. Let's be honest, rejection can be a major bummer, but sometimes it can actually be a blessing in disguise. Was the job you applied for not a great fit with your long-term goals? Maybe it's time to refocus your search and find a position that aligns better with your passions. Did your creative pitch get rejected by a competition? Use the feedback from the judges to improve your work. Rejection can be a valuable learning experience that helps you refine your skills and approach future endeavors with more confidence. Hack 4. Embrace the learning opportunity. Rejection often comes with valuable feedback, even if it's not explicitly offered. Take some time to analyze the situation. If there's a clear reason why you were rejected, like a lack of experience or a mismatch in qualifications, use that information to grow and become better in your chosen field. Consider taking a relevant course, attending a workshop, or seeking mentorship from someone in your industry. Hack 5. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback. Many times, a simple "why not" can provide valuable insights. If you're comfortable, reach out to the person or organization that rejected you and politely request some feedback. Explain that you're eager to learn and improve and you'd appreciate any guidance they can offer. You might be surprised at how receptive they are. Hack 6. Celebrate your resilience. Bouncing back from rejection takes strength. It's easy to get discouraged and dwell on the negative. But instead, acknowledge your progress and pat yourself on the back for your perseverance. Rejection may feel like a setback, but it's also an opportunity to demonstrate your resilience and determination. Take a moment to celebrate the fact that you didn't give up, and use that positive momentum to fuel your future endeavors. Hack 7 goes beyond just having a supportive network. Sure, surrounding yourself with friends, family, and mentors who believe in you is crucial, but it's also important to seek out a community of people who share your goals and understand the challenges you face. Look for online forums, industry groups, or local meetups where you can connect with others who are on a similar journey. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can be a powerful source of support and motivation. Hack 8. Focus on self-care. Rejection can be draining, both emotionally and mentally. It can leave you feeling depleted and unmotivated. Make sure you're taking care of yourself physically and mentally during these tough times. Prioritize activities that nourish your well-being. This could include getting enough sleep, eating healthy foods, exercising regularly, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature can also be incredibly helpful. Hack 9. Channel your frustration into action. Feeling down after rejection is completely normal. But instead of letting that frustration fester, try to use that energy productively. Maybe it's a sign you need to work harder and improve your skills. Set some new goals for yourself, take an online course, or dedicate extra time to practicing your craft. Hack 10. Remember, successful people face rejection all the time. It's a part of the journey, not a reflection of your potential. Think of all the iconic figures who faced countless rejections before achieving their dreams. J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter manuscript was rejected by 12 publishers before finding a home. Walt Disney was fired from a newspaper job for lacking imagination. Learn from their stories and find inspiration to keep going. Remind yourself that even the most successful people faced setbacks and rejections along the way. Hack 11. Rejection can be a redirection. Sometimes the path we think we're on isn't the best one after all. Maybe the job you didn't get would have led you down a career path you wouldn't enjoy. Maybe the competition you didn't win pushed you to explore a different creative direction that turned out to be even more fulfilling. Use rejection as an opportunity to explore new possibilities. Take some time to reflect on your goals and aspirations. Is there something else you've always wanted to try? Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore uncharted territories. Hack#12. Most importantly, never give up on your dreams. Rejection is temporary, but your determination is what matters most. Successful people aren't defined by the rejections they face. They're defined by their perseverance. So pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. Learn from your experiences, adapt your approach, and keep striving for your goals. With hard work, dedication, and a positive attitude, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. So there you have it, Mind Detectives. These 12 psychological hacks will equip you to turn rejection into fuel for your success. Remember, every no brings you closer to a resounding yes. Rejection may sting, but it doesn't have to define you. Use these strategies to bounce back stronger and keep moving forward on your path to achieving your dreams. We all have stories of overcoming rejection. Share yours in the comments below and inspire others. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing content that will help you unlock your full potential. Remember, Mind Detectives, rejection is just a chapter in your story, not the whole book. Write your next chapter with resilience, determination, and the knowledge that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to.